Yo, the feds are out here snatching e-bikes left, right and sideways. Thames Valley Police, 46 bikes seized in 1 month, bro. 1 month. And it ain't just Surrons going 80 miles an hour with no brakes. They're coming for all of us. So before you ride out today, watch this. Because what makes your bike illegal might actually shock you. Alright, here's the thing. In the UK, there's one type of electric bike the government actually likes. It's called an EAPC, Electrically Assisted Pedal Cycle. Big words, simple rules. 3 things, bro. 3 things. 1. Your motor can't be more than 250 watts continuous rated power. 2. The motor has to cut off at 15.5 miles per hour. Not 16, not 20, 15.5, bro. 3. It needs pedals. Real ones that actually propel the bike. Not decorative ones. Not I zip tied my BMX cranks on there. You know them ones. Working pedals, bro. If your bike does all 3, no license, no insurance, no tax. You're just a cyclist, bro. Happy days. Ride it on the cycle path. Ride it on the road. You're golden, son. But here's where it gets sketchy. The second your bike goes over 15.5 miles an hour on motor power alone, you're not a cyclist anymore, bro. You're a motorcycle, and motorcycles need insurance. They need registration. They need a driving license. And definitely, they need a helmet that meets British safety standards. Not just your hoodie, you know them ones. And here's the mad part. It doesn't matter how fast you're actually riding. If the bike can go faster than 15.5 miles an hour with a motor, already illegal. Even parked up. No insurance on a vehicle like that, fine up to £300. That's about $400 or something like that. 6 penalty points, and yeah, they will take your bike, bro. They will crush it. BBC showed footage of seized bikes getting absolutely demolished. Gone. Bye. Now, let's talk Surron. Because I know that's why half of y'all are all here. Here's the thing about Surrons. Most of them, the standard light B, the storm B, not road legal at all. Too powerful, no real pedal assist, that puts it in the motorcycle territory. Now, there is a road legal Surron, the Light B L1e. It comes with number plates, lights, mirrors, the full thing. It's restricted to 30 miles an hour on public roads. You need a provisional license. You need to do your CBT. That's compulsory basic training. You know them ones. You need insurance too. The off-road versions, private land only, bro. Not the road, not the cycle path, not the pavement. Private land. And the Met Police said this back in February. They've been cracking down specifically on modified Surrons and e-bikes that have been de-restricted. De-restricted meaning someone's gone and unlocked the speed limiter. You know they're using now? A spray, a smart tag. They spray it on your bike during the chase, bro. Spray it on your clothes, and the next time they see you, they can link you to the incident. That's next level, bro. That's not just a chase anymore. Oh hey, if this is helpful to you, smash the like button right now, bro. It takes 2 seconds, and it tells YouTube to push this to more riders who need to know this stuff. Subscribe if you're new. Now, back to it. What actually gets you caught? So, I've been thinking about this, right? What actually gets you caught out here? First thing, speed. If you're doing 40 miles an hour past CCTV in a town center, bro, they're watching you. You're on camera, they will track you. I said it in my stealth BMX build video. Slow it down through town. The second you're going faster than traffic, you are a target. Second thing, the look. Big motor hanging out, no pedals, that's loud, bro. That's not a bicycle. Even the most distracted copper can see that, bro. Hey, third, and this one surprises people, no brakes. BBC spoke to a police inspector who said some of these bikes going over 45 miles an hour had literally no working brakes. This is how you go from a ticket to a serious incident to jail, bro. Not even joking. And it's not just adults. They stopped an 11-year-old in Dorset. An 11-year-old. no brakes, 45 miles an hour. That's why the crackdown is getting worse, not better. Seizures are up everywhere. Dorset, 33 bikes already this year, up from 10 in all of last year. Thames Valley, 46 in one single month. And there's a new law update coming apparently that makes things worse. How to actually stay smart. Alright, here's what I do, and I think makes sense out here. 1. Know your build. If your bike has a throttle and goes over 15.5 miles an hour, treat that thing like a motorcycle, bro. That means ride it where motorcycles ride. On the road, not the cycle path. And ideally, get insured. 2. Off-road build, stay off-road. Trails, private land, fields. That's what they're built for, bro. Don't be that guy riding a 72-volt pit bike through Tesco car park wondering why you're the target. 3. If you want a Surron on the road legally, go L1e. Do your CBT, get insurance. It's not that deep. Third-party insurance for a moped class vehicle is not breaking the bank, bro. 4. Stealth your build. If it looks like a bicycle, no screens, no keys, dark motor, no obvious controller, you are 80% less likely to get a second look. 5. Know where the cameras are in your area. Slow down. I'm not saying don't ride, I'm saying ride smart. This ain't me telling you to go fully legal and become a commuter in high vis. This is me saying know the rules so you can make your own decisions, bro. That's it. So to wrap it up, legal bike in the UK, 250 watts, 15.5 miles an hour cutoff, working pedals. That's the magic triangle, bro. Surron on the road, L1e version only. CBT, insurance, done. Everything else, off-road, private land, or accept the risk. Know what you're doing, ride smart. The laws are getting tighter, the police are getting smarter, and the seizures are going up every single year. So the more you know, the better your chances of keeping your bike and not your bike keeping the police. Drop a comment. Are you running legal setup or just out here living your best life? No face, no case in the comments, bro. I won't tell anyone. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe for more e-bike builds, upgrades, and all the bike life you can handle. Stay fast, stay smart, ride safe, bro.